Best Hatchbacks Car for 2025 to 2025 Honda Civic. The 2025 Honda Civic has quickly established itself as the best hatchback car of the year, combining practicality, advanced technology, and a fun driving experience. With its refined design and performance upgrades, the Civic continues to set the benchmark in the hatchback segment, appealing to a wide range of drivers. Sleek design and comfortable interior. The 2025 Honda Civic hatchback features a sleek and modern design that enhances its appeal. The car's sharp lines, bold front grille, and LED lighting create a sporty yet sophisticated appearance. The hatchback's wide stance and sloping roofline give it a dynamic look, while the new alloy wheel designs add an extra touch of style. Inside, the Civic offers a spacious and well-appointed cabin. High-quality materials and a clean, minimalist layout give the interior a premium feel. The seats are designed for both comfort and support, making long drives more enjoyable. With ample legroom and cargo space, the Civic hatchback is as practical as it is stylish, offering the versatility that drivers need for everyday use. Advanced technology and connectivity. The 2025 Civic hatchback is equipped with Honda's latest technology, ensuring that drivers stay connected and entertained on the road. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 9-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, providing seamless integration with smartphones. The system also includes navigation, a premium audio system, and Honda Link services, which offer remote vehicle control and monitoring features. A 10.2-inch digital instrument cluster provides drivers with customizable displays, including vital information such as speed, fuel economy, and navigation directions. The Civic's advanced driving modes allow drivers to choose between eco, normal, and sport settings, adjusting the car's performance to suit their driving style. Impressive performance and handling. Under the hood, the 2025 Honda Civic hatchback offers a choice of engines, including a turbocharged 1.5-liter four-cylinder that delivers 180 horsepower and 177 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, or a 6-speed manual, the Civic offers a responsive and engaging driving experience. The car's precise steering and well-tuned suspension provide excellent handling, whether navigating city streets or tackling winding roads. Safety and driver assistance. Honda has equipped the 2025 Civic hatchback with an extensive suite of safety features. The Honda Sensing Suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. These features work together to enhance driver confidence and ensure a safe driving experience. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda Civic hatchback continues to excel in all areas, making it the best hatchback car for 2025. With its stylish design, advanced technology, and impressive performance, the Civic is an ideal choice for drivers seeking a practical yet exciting vehicle for everyday use. Whether for commuting, road trips, or weekend adventures, the Civic delivers on all fronts.